Hey everybody, it's Neon. I have this is a 55-gallon drum pump. I don't have a 55-gallon drum, but I have a bucket with some water in it. So we're gonna go ahead and give this thing a try. Let's see what we gotta do for this. So here's the information for it. Let's see if we can figure this out. It's gonna be one of the tubes, two tubes. I guess you can adjust the depth of it, which is good because I don't have to use all these to get mine working. And this, man, all sorts of pieces and parts in here. Okay. Okay, I think I've got everything out. Okay, there's everything out. What do I do with the little instructions? Okay, that's what it's gonna look like there. So, let's see, does it say anything that we need to know? And that's basically the instructions of how to set it up. So, let's just go ahead and do it. Okay, so it looks like crank is going to go on that side. This pipe is going to be at the top here. This is where the water is going to come out. Okay, so there we can aim this however we want. This little tube here. Okay, so at the bottom will be these pieces here. I guess they're just gonna screw in as such. Okay, this will clamp on there, I guess. Gotta do that. Just gonna go. Might need a wrench or something to get this to really clamp on. Oh no, there's a little hole in there that it's going to attach you to. Let's see. Just have to line it up. Okay. Okay, I'm just going to, let's see, where is it going to line up? It's going to line up straight out there. Boy, this is going to be the toughest part, is lining it up with that hole in there. I'm just going to unscrew it all the way and look through the hole, see where it needs to line up. Okay. It's going to be like out like there, so out of it.
Hi, you are currently being recorded.
There it is, okay. And so that's kind of the concept of it. So it's just going to go like this, and it's going to suck in the water. And then we have clamps here, I guess, to kind of put it, you know, if we want to have it at a certain height or something like that, it'll screw onto the cap of your 55-gallon drum. And then this is a cap that we can put on the bottom here, just so it'll filter all the goop out as we're pumping it. So, and also it can be down at the bottom of the pipe without anything happening. So let's go ahead and see what happens when I do this. So let's see, you guys can't see the bucket. There we go, there's the bucket, there's the thing. I'm gonna aim the water to go back in there somewhere. And let's see what happens when I do it. Ooh, oh, that's a fast pump. Look at that. That was easy. Boy, we can totally crank this out. And we'll be pumping out a lot of water. Look at that. We'll probably hook a drill up to it and make it go super fast. But look at that, that's easy. Doesn't get any easier than that. And then you got these other pipes here, so you can extend it on down all the way to the bottom of your pump. So, very cool. So I like that. So you can just pump everything out of your drum. Nice pump, very cool. Super awesome, thumbs up for sure.